Oh, okay, guys. I'm out here with the Mavic Mini. We're gonna do a little update on that construction site for you to see what their progress is. They've been toiling away at it for a while, so we'll take off and go over there and check it out.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check
It's a
it
little
on
bit
the
on the
map.
windy side. Indeed, it is a little bit windy. You get up a little higher. I always seem to lose a lot of signal over this place. Must be all the Wi-Fi coming from them buildings. We'll set it at 200 for right now. See down there, they're making lots of progress on that car wash. There you go. So yeah, it looks good. It's getting there. There's the sheets. I call it the zoo, okay? I call it the zoo. Let me climb up. I'm getting more interference here. I'm going to try to come back between those buildings. Yeah, you get around those buildings like that, you start getting blockage of your signal and stuff like that. But, you know, it is kind of windy, so it's giving you the wind warning, which as it's supposed to do. I guess it knows by the gyro in there or whatever. Starts wobbling it around, so the gyroscope, I guess it tips it this way and that way, so that's all it knows. Man, this is a great one here, guys. I'm telling you, this is a beauty. As Steve would say, it's a beauty, okay? Yep. This thing flies like a champ, man. Don't get much better than this, guys. All right, I'm gonna cut the video. Yay. All right, guys, there you go. Construction update. Hot dog.
Landing.